All right, this question right here. It says the countries shown here release more CO2 than the rest of the world because the countries have the largest blank. This chart over here, I don't like this question too much because the way this chart is laid out. It says this is worldwide CO2 release, and it shows tons per year of CO2 released per capita. That means per person. So the United States has 5.9 tons per year per person released. However, Canada is like 5.2. Well, if we chop the population in Canada in half, though, this number would jump up to 10.4. So these numbers are they're dependent on how many people are living in an area. And so I don't like the way that this lays out because you don't know the populations of these areas. And in fact, the answer that they want, that they've given in the guide, is F, the number of people, which kind of makes sense. The number of people, the more people you have, the more CO2 release you're going to have. However, the actual answer is the number of heavy industries. That's what it should be, but that's not the answer they want. They want number F as far as the SOL they're released. But again, we don't know how many people. If Germany has 3.1 tons per year per capita released, and it only had one person, it would only release 3.1 tons. And so we have to know how many people there are before we can know how much CO2 is actually being released. I just don't like this question at all, the way it's worded.